Good morning, children. In last class, we learned about tools in Visual Basic. So, before move to the next topic, let us recall and I'll give you a small introduction about the Visual Basic programming language. Here is the different versions of Visual Basic. The first version of Visual Basic is VB 1.0, which is released in 1991. Here we are using or we are studying Visual Basic 6.0, which is a version released in 1998. Latest version of Visual Basic is Visual Basic 2010, which is released in April 2010. Here is a summary about Visual Basic. VB is based on Basic that we learned in first lesson. That is, Visual Basic evolved from the earlier DOS version called Basic. Basic stands for Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. That is, which is a high level programming language. Next is VB is a RAD language, that is RAD language, that is Rapid Application Development. RAD full form is Rapid Application Development. That is developing a software through the use of pre-programmed tools or wizards. That is RAD. Next is VB is an event-driven language. That is, event-driven means it's a programming paradigm in which the flow of program is determined by events such as user actions, sensor outputs, or messages from the operating system or other programs. User actions means through mouse click or key press, etc. Next is VB is an object-oriented programming language. That is which it use the loop concepts. That is object-oriented programming language. That is the object can inherit the characters from other objects. That is OOP concept. That is object-oriented language that you will learn in PU classes. The next is VB comes in different versions and editions. That first use of the different versions of Visual Basic. Then the important terms you have to understand in VB. First one is form. Next control, then method, event, attribute or property. These all terms we will learn in the second lesson. The next is IDE that we already learned in first chapter, that is VBA IDE, Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment. Then RAD, that is Rapid Application Development, and OOP concept. Then he is Alan Cooper, who is the developer of Visual Basic. So who developed Visual Basic? Alan Cooper. Here is a history or origin of the Visual Basic. The first version of Visual Basic is VB 1.0, which was announced in the year 1991. The creation of user interface through a drag or drop design was inspired a beta generator that was developed by Alan Cooper at Tripod, which was Cooper's company. Here is an introduction about Visual Basic. That is, visual means a method used to create GUI application. That you know what is GUI, that is graphical user interface. The next is basic, that is beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code developed by John King. So the full form of Visual Basic is visual means a method used to create GUI application, and basic is another high level programming language beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. From these two we created the name Visual Basic. So it is evolved from basic language. It is developed by Microsoft in 1990s. Now we are studying Visual Basic 6.0 version. So in last class we started our second chapter and learned the tools in Visual Basic. So now the second topic here it is code window. Code window in VB. The code window is used to write, display and edit the Visual Basic code. It is used to write, display and edit Visual Basic code. The code window consists of two main elements, object box and procedure box. So what is code window? Code window It is found in the right of the Project Explorer. It displays the VBA code for the object currently highlighted in the Project Explorer. If the code window is not visible when you open the Microsoft Visual Basic window, you can make it visible by selecting code under the View menu. So the two elements in the code window are object box and procedure box or event box. So first one is object box. It displays the name of the selected form or control. It contains a list of all the objects associated with the form. And the second one is procedure box or event box. It lists all the events for the form or the control selected in the object box. When we select an event from the event box, the procedure associated with the selected event is displayed in the code window. And we can open the code window for the form or for a specific control. So let us see first how to open the code window for a form. So for that, first step is right click on the form in the Project Explorer, then select the view code option from the menu. Step 2, select the form name in the Project Explorer, then click on the view menu in the menu bar and select code option on the menu. So here you can see from the view option, you can select view code. So first step is what? Right click on the Project Explorer. From there, you can select view code from the menu. Otherwise, one more option is there. You can use function key F7 from the keyboard. Function key F7. So this is the way to open code window for a form. Next is how to open code window for a control. First step is you have to double click on the control. Double click on the control. Then select the control on the form layout window. Select control on the form layout window. Otherwise, click on the view menu. Here you can see in this picture, click on the view menu and select code option. Otherwise, you can directly press on the F7 key from the keyboard. First is double click on the control. Second step is select the control on the form layout window. Third step is click on the view menu in the menu bar and select code option in from the menu. Otherwise, press on the function key F7. These are the ways to open code window for a control.